Published event calendars are an amazing way to share information about your upcoming or your past events with large and varied audiences. You can create as many calendars as you need for any audience group. Internal calendars designed for executives and sales reps, or calendars designed to be viewed publicly by external audiences. Easily customize the design of the calendar as well as the specific event information that flows into it, and best of all, your calendar updates in real time. As events change and information shifts, your published calendars will automatically update for all viewers. Simply share out your published calendar's URL or embed it on an intranet or landing page, and without logging into the Circa platform, your audience has amazing insight into the events you're working on. Viewers of the calendar can further filter down the events to see a more specific view that suits their needs and can view the events as a list, as a calendar, or on a map. They can also download the event list as a CSV document. When creating a calendar for your colleagues or sales team, you can opt to have the event names linked to a detailed event brief, which the Circa platform automatically generates and which update in real time to share out event schedules, meetings, and more. You can also opt for your calendar to include a link to your company's request form where colleagues can request to attend or host events using Circa's built-in request process.